Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on HOTWAV Note 15 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google app and then click on your avatar and go to settings. Now you have to go to Google Assistant and now click on Hey Google and voice match and then click here on Hey Google. Then click on more and I agree, then click on more and I agree again and click next. Now click on retrain voice match model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay, let me try that again. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click next, and now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.